Hi, welcome to another video in the series Audi A2 Project Youngtimer. In this video I will replace the pollen filter, so the filter for interior air. I've already bought a replacement. This is LA120, which should work okay. And where is the location of the pollen filter? So the location is in the passenger footwell on the left-hand drive cars. And if we go down, you will see here you can see this part that need to be removed, and under this plastic, just besides the center console, is the under this plastic it is the pollen filter for the air conditioning. And let's go with replacing it. So as I've shown you, the pollen filter is under this plastic cover. We just push it from here, put the finger in, and we just push it out. If it does not go out, don't push it too much, because this plastic is now 20 years old, so it can easily break. So it's better just to take a screwdriver and just gently here where it goes, not here because you will break this piece, but here, just gently a little bit push with the screwdriver, and then push here, and you see it went out. It is in the plastic, it just easily goes out. Just you need to be very gentle. So I will take now the plastic out easily. This is it. This is the plastic cover. I will just clean it a little bit later. So now let me put it here, and now we have here black here. Let me show you a little bit better. You can see here it is now. This these two latches, you need to push this one towards the center, and this the other one towards the back of the car. This is it. And now you take the whole this plastic piece down. Let me just put it here back. This is it. Okay, and now you just wiggle a little bit. So these two latches need to be to the center. Now you just wiggle this plastic piece a little bit down, and the whole cover, it will go down. Let me just do it like this. Okay, a little bit more. It's released. Okay, this is it. As you can see, there is a lot of dust inside, so it looks and that's it. So you just take this cover down, and as you can see, I will clean this later. So now that we have released the secondary cover, now we can take out the pollen filter. You just press, keep this plastic, and just press it slowly down, and now you just do it like this. So this is the pollen filter. As you can see, wow, it's very dusty. Even if the car was not used, there is a lot of dust in here. Great. So it's great that I will replace it. And as you can see, this is the plastic bracket for the pollen filter. Be very careful when you will be taking out the filter, because this plastic bracket can easily break. If it breaks, don't panic, because now you can get the pollen filter even without with a new design, so that you don't need this plastic black bracket. But I will just be careful and use it because I have the pollen filter with to be used with this plastic bracket. So now let's go to the table, and I will replace the old. I will remove the old filter, pollen filter, or maybe I can do it also here. So you just push it out, and be careful, because you see this pin needs to go towards the driver. So we will need to push it like this up. This pin needs to go towards the driver, and when you take out the filter, you see here, this is the arrow, and this arrow needs to show towards the drive, because the airflow is like this. So we need to put the new air filter the new pollen filter the correct way. As you can see here, it is in really bad condition, not really clean, but okay. So let us check. Yeah, this is the factory Volkswagen part. Okay, I will just replace it with the Mahle part. Okay, so this is the Mahle part, LA120. As you can see, also here are the arrows which point towards the reaction that needs to be done. So if we see now, if you look now, this needs to be towards the driver, and this arrow also. So the pollen filter needs to go inside like this. Okay, we just push it here at the easily, not to break the plastic, like this, and now we just push it down. Hope that it will be okay. We have a clean air filter fitted. So as I said, this needs to be turned towards the driver. So I will just, you see, it's here, and the arrow is pointing there. So I will now just put this, just maybe a little bit here, if there are some, no, there is nothing, it's okay. So now let's just put this back on, that's it. And now probably we'll need to a little bit wiggle so that it will go out, it will go up, that's it. And now you just push it up. This is it. So the new the new pollen filter is in. I will now just push this and also clean this a little bit because it's all dusty. And now we need to have these two latches at the center, and then they will go up and will keep the plastic up. So now let's start with this. Just put it on and like here. Okay, that's it. And now I will just try with the latches. So this latch has to go towards the end, and the first latch towards the front. This is it. This is done. And now also a little bit harder part, because this plastic is be very gentle with it. Here you have a latch, as you can see, and this latch on both sides need to go to this here. And be very careful so not to break it. Let me try like this. Okay, no, it went too much up, like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you see it's now here, and just press gently and gently. That's it. And that's it. Pollen filter has been replaced, and as you could see, it was quite dirty even if the car was not used a lot, but now the passengers and everybody should have a clean, fresh air inside. Thank you for watching. Drive safe and smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye. And this is another Just for Nerds video. And what will it be about? So it will be about this normal box for the cabin filter that I have just replaced. If you look carefully, you will see that on this side it's not perforated, but this side and this side, they are both perforated. Why they are? Well, if we open the box, you will see that it tear open here. There is a tear open here. And what will happen now? So if I will now break this perforated side, you just break it, and you will see what will happen inside. So this is it. And now if I open it, you will see that here are the instructions. But first, for which models this cabin filter is okay. So if you look carefully, it's Audi A2. This is what I have replaced. and also Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Porsche Panamera, and Seat Cordoba Ibiza, Skoda Fabia, and Volkswagen Fox and Polo. So this cabin filter is the same, is usable on all these cars, but this is just for information. And now if we go here on this side, you can see that here you have the instructions how to replace the cabin filter. This is for Audi A2, just exactly what I have done. Then we have for Seat Cordoba, and these are the same for Porsche Panamera, and here is for Mercedes-Benz G-Class. So next time when you buy some parts, you just check if they are really perforated here, if the box is perforated, and if it is, that means that usually inside there are the instructions for the installation and also which cars the part is compatible with.